2010 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, passenger airbag, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.